Hey, it's Brad. I'm going to show you 3 voices on ElevenLabs that make great radio DJs, and then I'll show you how to use almost every voice on ElevenLabs as a DJ voice. And you might ask, well, what do you mean? Can't I use any voice as a DJ voice? You can, but if the voice was trained to be a narrator, it's going to have the rhythm and the energy of a narrator instead of a radio DJ. I'll show you what to do about that in just a second. But first, let's listen to 3 great voices that you can use as a radio DJ voice. First up, let's use this one right here. Rachel M., pro British radio presenter. Here I am in text-to-speech, and here's the copy that we're going to use. Let me generate it.
Q108, the Valley's #1 hit music station. Hey, coming up New Year's Eve, we're counting down the 108 most requested songs of 2025, powered by Flex Energy all day long right here on Q108.
There is no way somebody would hear that on the radio and go, that's AI. That sounds so legit. Here's one that I made. It's called Tyler Cruz, Cool Energetic DJ. Q108, the Valley's #1 hit music station. Hey, coming up, New Year's Eve, we're counting down the 108 most requested songs of 2025 all day long, right here on Q108. Let me play you one more, and then I'll show you why you really can't use just any ElevenLabs voice as a radio DJ. This one's called David Hertal, radio DJ.
Q108, the Valley's #1 hit music station. Hey, coming up New Year's Eve, we're counting down the 108 most requested songs of 2025, powered by Flex Energy all day long, right here on Q108.
There's no way you would know that that is an AI voice. If you heard that on the radio, you wouldn't doubt it for a second. So why can't you just use any ElevenLabs voice as a radio DJ? Let me show you. This is the voice we're going to use. This is called Nate, Natural Warm Podcast Voice. This is a fairly new voice on ElevenLabs, and it sounds awesome when you use it like you'll hear it in its voice sample here.
And that's the thing about trust, right? You can't fake it. People just know when something sounds real versus when it sounds like a performance.
That sounds really, really good. But let's listen to that same voice, the Nate voice, do this DJ script.
Q108, the Valley's #1 hit music station. Hey, coming up New Year's Eve, we're counting down the 108 most requested songs of 2025, powered by Flex.
So that does not sound awesome as a DJ voice, but it wasn't trained to be a DJ voice. There's a rhythm and there's a volume or whatever that the DJ voices use. But what if you really loved Nate's voice and you wanted to use it as a DJ voice? Guess what we're going to do? We're going to generate text-to-speech with one of the DJ voices, export that audio, and then import that audio into Nate. So here's my Tyler Cruz audio that we generated just a second ago. Q108. Okay, so now it's downloaded, and we're going to go to Voice Changer, and we've got Nate selected. And now we're going to upload the Tyler Cruz voice sample. So it's Voice Changer from Tyler Cruz into Nate. You ready? Here we go.
Q108, the Valley's #1 hit music station. Hey, coming up New Year's Eve, we're counting down the 108 most requested songs of 2025, powered by Flex Energy all day long, right here on Q108.
So there you go. That's how you can use any ElevenLabs voice as a radio DJ. First, generate the text-to-speech using one of the radio DJ voices, then take that export and put it into Voice Changer and switch it over to the voice that you wanted to use.